From ocean depths to the dining table, the complete journey of crab in Chinese cuisine, the ocean has always been a mysterious world for humans. Beneath its vast blue surface lies a hidden universe filled with countless living creatures, each playing its role in a delicate ecosystem. Among these fascinating creatures is the crab, a unique animal known for its hard shell, sideways walk, and powerful claws. While it may seem unusual in appearance, the crab transforms into a highly valued and delicious dish once it makes its way from the ocean to the dining table, especially in China, where it is considered a culinary delicacy. This script explores the complete journey of a crab, from its life in the sea to its preparation and consumption. Crabs live primarily on the ocean floor, where sand, rocks, and underwater plants provide them with shelter and protection. Their bodies are covered with a hard exoskeleton that acts as armor against predators. Equipped with strong claws, they can hunt, defend themselves, and interact with their environment effectively. There are many species of crabs around the world, including blue crabs, king crabs, snow crabs, and mud crabs. However, in China, one of the most prized varieties is the hairy crab, known for its rich flavor and soft texture. Crabs are mostly nocturnal creatures, meaning they are more active at night, feeding on smaller marine organisms, algae, and even dead matter. The journey from sea to plate begins with the harvesting process. Crab fishing is a well-established industry in many coastal regions of China. Fishermen use several techniques to catch crabs, each requiring skill and experience. One of the most common methods is the use of baited traps. These traps are placed on the ocean floor with food inside to attract crabs. Once a crab enters the trap, it becomes difficult for it to escape. Another widely used method is net fishing, where large nets are cast into the water and later pulled back, capturing multiple sea creatures, including crabs. In some traditional communities, fishermen still catch crabs by hand, entering shallow waters and carefully grabbing them, a risky but effective technique. After the crabs are caught, they go through a sorting process. Not all crabs are suitable for consumption. Smaller crabs are often released back into the ocean to allow them to grow and reproduce, ensuring sustainability. Larger and healthier crabs are selected for sale and consumption. At this stage, male and female crabs are also separated. In Chinese cuisine, female crabs are particularly valuable because they contain eggs, which are considered a delicacy due to their rich and creamy taste. One important aspect of crab handling in China is that crabs are usually kept alive until they are cooked. This practice is followed to maintain freshness and ensure food safety. Dead crabs can spoil quickly and may develop harmful bacteria that can be dangerous if consumed. Therefore, live crabs are stored in water tanks or kept moist and cool until they are ready to be prepared. This ensures that the flavor remains intact and the meat stays fresh. Before cooking, crabs must be cleaned properly. This is a crucial step, as not all parts of a crab are safe or suitable to eat. The cleaning process begins by removing the top shell, which exposes the internal organs. Certain parts must be discarded carefully. The gills, which appear as soft, feathery structures on the sides, are removed because they can contain impurities and are not edible. The digestive tract, often visible as a dark line, is also removed, as it contains waste. Additionally, the stomach sac located near the head is discarded, as it is not suitable for consumption. Once the inedible parts are removed, the remaining portions of the crab are prepared for cooking. The most desirable part is the white meat found in the claws and legs. This meat is tender, slightly sweet, and highly prized for its delicate flavor. The body of the crab contains brown meat, which has a stronger and more intense taste. Female crabs contain roe, which is bright orange or yellow and considered one of the most luxurious parts of the crab. Another component, often referred to as crab fat or liver hepatopancreas, is also consumed in Chinese cuisine and is valued for its rich, creamy texture. Chinese cuisine offers a variety of methods to cook crab, each enhancing its flavor in a unique way. One of the most popular methods is steaming. In this technique, the crab is cooked with minimal seasoning, often just ginger and vinegar, allowing its natural flavor to shine. Steamed crab is considered a classic and healthy preparation. Another common dish is spicy crab, where the crab is stir-fried with garlic, chili, and soy sauce, creating a bold and flavorful experience. Crab soup is also widely enjoyed, offering a lighter and more nourishing option. Additionally, fried crab is popular for its crispy texture and rich taste. Eating crab in China is not just about food. It is an experience that involves technique and patience. Special tools such as crab crackers, small forks, and chopsticks are used to extract the meat from the shell. Diners carefully break open the shell and remove the meat piece by piece, ensuring that nothing goes to waste. This process can be time-consuming, but is considered part of the enjoyment. Crabs are often expensive in China, especially certain premium varieties, like the hairy crab. The high price is due to several factors, including limited availability, high demand, and the labor-intensive process of catching and preparing them. Their delicate taste and cultural significance also contribute to their value. In some cases, high-quality crabs are even given as gifts during special occasions. From a nutritional perspective, crab is considered a healthy food. It is rich in protein, which is essential for muscle growth and repair. It also contains omega-3 fatty acids, which are beneficial for heart health, and vitamin B12, which supports brain function. However, it should be consumed in moderation, as it can be high in cholesterol. Some individuals may also have allergies to shellfish, making it important to be cautious. In China, crab is more than just a dish. It is part of a cultural tradition. It is often enjoyed during specific seasons, particularly in autumn when hairy crabs are at their peak. Families gather to share meals that include crab, making it a symbol of togetherness and celebration. Festivals and special events may also feature crab as a highlight dish, reflecting its importance in Chinese culinary culture. In conclusion, the journey of a crab from the ocean to the plate is a fascinating process that involves nature, skill, tradition, and taste. It is not merely about eating seafood, but understanding the effort and culture behind it. Every bite tells a story that begins deep in the ocean and ends as a delicacy enjoyed by millions.